Hello students, welcome back to our channel Diksha Karnataka. So KCET 2024 counselling has already started and we are at the stage of option entry. So there was a very good news few days before for all those students who didn't prepare well for the option entry. The last date for the round 1 option entry was extended till 3rd of August 2024. So up to 11 a.m. So this is very good news for all those students who didn't prepare well, so that you can get some time to make proper research and do the best option entry for yourself. So in this video, I have come with a detailed day-wise plan how you should use these 3 days that is left, the 31st, 1st and 2nd of August effectively, so that you can prepare the best preference list for yourself. Okay, so there is nothing here, there is no rocket science here. It is all about proper strategies, like making proper strategy, proper planning and doing the things on the time. Okay, so please watch this complete video so that you can have a clear-cut idea how to use these 3 days. So let's start with the first one, that is day 1, 31st July 2024. Yes, so first day what we have to do is research and shortlisting. Okay, so in this, if you see, first research all the available colleges and courses. So you can check your rank that you have received in the KCET examination and what are all the colleges that take admissions through the KCET exam. So for researching this, or for knowing the list of colleges that take admission through the KCET, you can check the seat matrix of KCET 2024, seat matrix of KCET 2024. This is there in the official website of KEA. So there you can find the list of all the colleges, all the branches that are available in a particular course, and the number of seats are there. So in this, you have to also, when you do research of these colleges, focus on the faculty education, the facilities, placements and the campus life. Next, now after this, once you have shortlisted the colleges that you are interested to study, you have to check the previous year cutoff ranks. Okay, this is very important. And now you have suppose decided 100 colleges or 20 colleges and 5 courses in each, so you have total 100 preferences. Now you have to see in this college, in this particular course, what was the last year cutoff for the round 2 extended. Okay, then you have to see your rank and then you have to shortlist certain colleges which fall in your nearby your rank category. Okay, next, now start creating a list of colleges and courses you are interested in, prioritizing them based on your preferences. So after this, once you have shortlisted all the colleges, you have to start prioritize them. How will you prioritize? So those colleges whose cutoff is higher than your rank, keep them first. Then those colleges whose cutoff is nearby to your rank, keep them at the middle, and those colleges whose cutoff is way below than your rank, okay, you are very confident that you will get this college, keep them below. Okay, so that should be the order of the preference list. So here cutoff higher than your rank, okay, higher than your rank, here cutoff somewhere equivalent to your rank, and here cutoff somewhere lower than your rank. Okay, so this is how you have to arrange your preference list. So this is the task that you have to do for day 1. Now coming to day 2, that is 1st of August 2024, refinement and consultation. Okay, so once we have prepared our list, next step is you have to refine it and you have to consult about it. So morning, what you can do, already you have prepare a list, so just create a draft list here based on your research. Create a preliminary list of options in order of preference. So whatever you have shortlisted the previous day, that is today, whatever you have shortlisted it, draft it out. Okay, write down or just type it in Excel sheet, or you can use just make a list of these colleges. Include more options than necessary to account for any uncertainties. It is very important to have some backup options, so try to give more number of options so that you can get the best college. Okay, next, simulate the process. So use any available mock option entry tools or guidelines provided by the KCET authorities to practice. So you can invest some time in going to the KEA portal and practicing how to put the option entry. So there is also a KEA has also released a video on how to do the option entry. Okay, watch that video. Okay, understand how to do mock how to do the option entry, and you suppose you have 100 preferences, just try practicing putting them in the portal, like 5 to 10 colleges, how to put them. So just practice some time. Next, coming to afternoon, what you have to do, consult with mentors and peers. So discuss your draft list with teachers, mentors or peers who can offer additional insights or suggestions. Okay, so just show your draft list to your friends, to your parents, to your teachers who have the experience or knowledge about this. Just show them and take their feedback, like what are they saying about this. Okay, Now incorporate any valuable feedback into your draft list and make the necessary adjustment. So suppose for example you have put one college suppose Dayanand Sagar computer science you have put in the starting, and you came to know that from by consulting with your friends that information science has better opportunities or better placements. So what you can do, just make the change, make DSCE first, that is information science, put it first and then change it to computer science. Just like this, any adjustments that is required that you have think is aligning to your interest. So it is not that whatever people suggest you have to take it. You have to think by yourself that whether this suggestion is applicable to me or not. Okay, once you find yes it is a good feedback, you can do the changes. So make all the necessary changes in the afternoon. Now by the time we reach evening, final review of the draft list. So after making all changes, everything, ensure that your list is well organized and all the preferences are correctly ranked. So you have to check that all your preferences are correctly ranked. It is everything is there. Many options are already included and you did not miss any college and course that you are interested in. Okay. Now coming to now third day, that is 2nd August 2024. Okay, so here is verification and submission. So morning what you have to do, finalize the list. Already you have made all the correction and everything. Make any final adjustments based on new insights or further consultation. So if you had any more discussions, any more doubt, consulted, anything to be changed at the end, so just make the final on 2nd August morning. Okay, ensure your top choices are correctly ranked and reflect your true preferences. So this is what you have to check, that whichever colleges you wish to join, that colleges should be at the top. Your preferences should be at the top. Next, verify the details. This is very important, very important step. Verify all the details that you have put here, right? What are the what you have to check? For every college you are putting, there is a college code. Okay, for college code, for the same college, I'm telling, I think in every video I'm mentioning this, for the same college there can be two different codes based on the aided and the unaided courses. Okay, for aided and unaided courses there can be different codes for the same college. One example for this is BMS college. Okay, BMS college has two codes based on aided and unaided courses. So check that your rank is suitable for aided courses or for unaided courses. Aided courses cutoff will be little high, unaided courses cutoff will be comparatively low. Fees in aided courses will be low, fees in unaided courses will be high comparatively. Okay, so now you have to first check that the college code that you have put is correct. Next, what you have to check, course description. Course description. There are so many abbreviations that have been used for different things, right? CE, CY, you have CA, AD, AS, so many things are mentioned. So go to the course description page, read all the descriptions and then check that whichever you have put is actually the correct one. There can be CE. CE stands for civil engineering, right? CS stands for computer science, IE stands for information science, EE, EC, whether you are wanting EC or EE. So just check these things and then put it. Okay, course description you have to check. So what you have to verify, I'm telling you verify, but you should know what exactly you have to verify here. So the thing that you have to verify is college code, then course description. After that, priority that you have given the, so this is first point that you have to verify. Second point you have to verify. Third point that you have to verify is priority. That according to the cutoff, I told you how you should arrange. The cutoff should be the one whose cutoff is higher than yours will be at the top, somewhere in between near to you should be at the middle, way low than you should be at the end. Third thing we have to check that priority we have arranged correctly. Now one more thing that you should check, verify. Fourth is all the colleges are included. All the colleges are included. Okay, so verify these four things in the morning of 2nd August. Okay, now coming to, yes, in the afternoon, that again you have to be ready now for submitting the options. So prepare, make sure you understand the submission process and any necessary steps to finalize your option entry. Once again you have to watch here, what you have to do, watch again the KEA video, okay, on option entry. Watch that. Also in our channel we have a video on how to do the option entry. That video link will be there in the description section. Please watch that also, okay, so that you can know how to do the option entry exactly. Second, check for errors, again review the entire option list for any possible errors or omissions. Okay, so see, I'm telling you again and again to revise. Okay, so because this is a very crucial step which will decide which college you are going to get. So investing these 3 days in doing, so you might be feeling how many times I have to review, right? So you have to review as many times as possible. Every time you review, you may find something new or some important change that might be required. So review it as many times as possible. Okay, so now towards the last step, that is in the evening of 2nd August, submit your final list. So log into the KEA portal and then then carefully input all the finalized option list, then follow all the instructions for submission and ensure everything is correctly entered. Okay, so just follow all the procedures, how to add numbers, how to add colleges, courses, check everything, and just ensure that you have done it correctly. After doing it also, check it again and again. Next, so that after that you have to verify that your submission has been successfully processed and you receive a confirmation receipt. So what is this confirmation receipt? Once you once you do the choice entry, you will be able to download the copy of your preference list. Okay, so just that is the confirmation list, and then save a copy of submitted options. So please save these options. Okay, and one more thing here I'll be telling you. I told you in the first step, right? Let us go to the first step here. If you see, the first step was to do proper research, right? Research all the available colleges and all this thing. So for this one, we have made a video. Okay, so you have a video for top 20 colleges, top 40 colleges. Okay, all branch wise cutoff is given. Okay, branch wise cutoff is given, right? So you can watch these 2 videos and check the branch wise cutoff of different colleges, and you can place them accordingly which falls in your category. Okay, one more thing, that if you want to know more details about any college, like placement rate, number of seats, okay, so for top 20 colleges we have made individual college review video also, and a compiled video of all the top 20 colleges where we have discussed the cutoff and the placement records. So do watch those videos also. Invest your time in doing proper research so that you can prepare the best option entry. Okay, so now I'll be having some additional tips also for you. So let us quickly move here. So if you see some additional tips, yes, stay updated. Okay, can keep visiting the KEA website regularly, so that you can check if any update, like previous time we got update for the date extend, so any new update would have come. So keep visiting the website, turn on its notifications, and then be ready. Backup options, okay, always have a plan B. What does it mean? Add optional colleges which are not of your interest also. If you may not get those colleges which you think that you are interested in, give some additional options so that you can get admission in some of the colleges. Okay, next, be realistic. Consider rank and previous trend. Okay, so this is a very simple tip, that suppose your rank is somewhere 17,000, you are interested in computer science, then give those colleges where the computer science cutoff starts from 13,000, for example 13,000 to 20,000. You cannot do for those colleges where the computer science cutoff is around 300 and 400, like that, right? You will not be able to get. So do not waste time in doing researches on these colleges. Okay, so just have a realistic approach, that what all colleges will fall under my rank, and then put them accordingly. Okay, so yes, very less time, I'll tell, 3 days are there, not very less, but yes, if you use it properly, you will be able to make the best option entry. So follow these steps, follow the time schedules that we have given, watch the videos that we have made, so that you can have a clear idea. Okay, so yes, all the very best for the KCET option entry process, and if you have any doubt, please comment down, we'll definitely address it. And thank you for watching, and if you have found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe the channel.